Welcome back here on Live Impact News on WCNC Plus. I'm Nick Sturdivant. So alarm bells are ringing over privacy concerns around video surveillance and artificial intelligence. The latest controversy was sparked by a Super Bowl ad for Ring. Many of you probably have seen it. So the Amazon Ring, the Amazon-owned video doorbell company, that's where those concerns lie. So Michael Yoshida is here live with us with more. Michael.
Hey there, Nick. Well, this feature, the search party feature by Ring, it was rolled out last year, and at the time it did receive some criticism, but this new ad has put it and the topic of AI surveillance back in the spotlight.
It's a Super Bowl ad that had some throwing a flag.
I saw it live, and it was one of those, uh-oh moments.
Ring, the Amazon-owned video door company, promoting its search party feature.
One post of a dog's photo in the Ring app starts outdoor cameras looking for a match. Search Party from Ring uses AI to help families find lost dogs.
It should be heartwarming, but a lot of people are reading something very sinister into it.
Ring hasn't been accused of any wrongdoing, but the ad did spark conversations around unwanted surveillance, AI going through and analyzing videos, and how the technology could potentially be used.
There's absolutely
Why is a Ring competitor even putting out this satire video, highlighting privacy worries and public distrust?
We could find literally anyone, but we only use this technology to find lost dogs.
A lot of this is people speculating about how the technology could be used in the future by a bad actor, rather than necessarily bad behavior that's happening right now.
Ring's founder says the company prioritizes customer privacy, and the application's use is limited.
Right now, the search party feature is literally just built for dogs. So it's built to look for dogs, to tell you if the dog is in front of your house, and then you have the decision to, contact the owner or not.
But experts say concerns over what comes next shouldn't be dismissed.
These technologies are getting so advanced and so sophisticated, we can't just ignore the implications and the risk.
These same things that are treated as privacy risks for some people are actually kind of a feature.
And that's the challenge. Some, maybe even many of us, like having access to that live feed of our surveillance camera on our phone, or maybe even getting an alert that an animal or someone else has walked by our camera. But that convenience, it does put our trust in these companies to do right by us and not abuse that access. And that's why those we spoke with say this balancing act of security and privacy is only going to get more difficult into the future. Nick.
So Michael, if people are worried about their privacy, what are some other options for them when it comes to home surveillance?
Yeah, so if you have Ring, a few things to keep in mind. Don't post or share your videos to the Ring Neighbors app. Also, opt out of Search Party, and don't use cloud storage. Obviously, that could probably limit some of the features and services you'll get from that system, but some things to keep in mind there. If you want to look at other systems that offer storage, whether it's in a SD card in the camera where you're not utilizing the cloud, some options include Wise, Blink, Tapo, Eufy, some of these other security camera providers. But no matter which company or brand you're using, those we spoke with say the thing to keep in mind here is as these technologies improve, if these cameras are offering any sort of maybe detection system, AI detection system, then again, that's probably going to be a way of them analyzing the videos that you're storing somewhere. So it all gets back to this idea of what are we willing to potentially sacrifice here when it comes to our security and our privacy, and how far are we willing to go? Nick?
All right, Michael Yoshida live for us. Thank you, Michael.